Is your weight loss juice actually helping you to lose weight, or are you accidentally adding too much sugar? Follow for simple juice recipes for weight loss, glow, and digestion. Because most people are making weight loss juice the wrong way, a lot of people think because it is natural, it is automatically healthy for weight loss. But balance matters. For weight loss juice, I focus more on low sugar vegetables and hydrating ingredients. This helps to keep the juice lighter and more balanced. So I'm using spinach, cucumber, celery, lemon, ginger, carrot, and a beetroot, and a small amount of the sweeter fruit for balance and flavor. Because healthy does not always have to mean balance for weight loss. This juice is light, refreshing, and naturally sweet without overdoing the sugars. Subscribe for more balanced juice recipe for weight loss, digestion, and glowing skin.